Hey there, I'm Noel, and we're diving into a fascinating comparison today, ClickUp versus any.do. These two couldn't be more different. ClickUp is the Swiss Army knife of project management, while any.do is the elegant simplicity champion. One wants to do everything, the other focuses on doing the basics perfectly. Let's find your perfect match. Here's the fundamental split that defines everything about these platforms. ClickUp believes in the all-in-one approach. Why juggle multiple tools when one comprehensive platform can handle tasks, documents, chat, and collaboration? Any.do takes the opposite philosophy, focusing on making task and list management as simple and intuitive as possible. It's the classic power versus simplicity debate, and both approaches have their devoted followers for good reasons. The user bases tell the whole story. ClickUp attracts teams and organizations managing complex projects with multiple workflows. They need robust features and aren't afraid of a learning curve. Any.do serves individuals, freelancers, and small teams who want to get organized quickly without complexity. ClickUp users want comprehensive project management capabilities, while any.do users prioritize clean interfaces and immediate productivity gains without extensive setup or training. The pricing strategies reveal each platform's core identity. ClickUp offers a generous free plan designed to support growing teams, with affordable per-user pricing that scales well for organizations. Any.do keeps things simple with lower price points geared toward individuals and families. ClickUp's structure reflects its enterprise-grade ambitions, while any.do's pricing shows its commitment to accessibility and streamlined functionality. Both offer excellent value for their target audiences. ClickUp's tiered approach is designed for growth and scalability. The free forever plan is incredibly generous, including unlimited tasks, users, and collaborative documents with 100 megabytes storage. The unlimited plan at $7 monthly adds unlimited storage and integrations. Business at $12 brings advanced automation and reporting. Enterprise offers custom pricing with enhanced security. The AI add-on at $7 monthly is available across all paid plans, making advanced features accessible. Any.do keeps pricing straightforward and affordable. The free personal plan covers basic task management and reminders. Premium at $4.99 monthly adds recurring tasks and location-based reminders for power users. The Teams plan, also $4.99, provides collaborative workspaces for small teams. The family plan, at $8.33 monthly, covers 4 members with a flat rate. The mobile app is particularly robust, keeping users organized on the go with an intuitive interface. This comparison highlights the fundamental difference in scope and approach. ClickUp provides comprehensive project management with dependencies, milestones, multiple project views, and advanced reporting, everything needed for complex team coordination. Any.do focuses on essential task management with clean lists, reminders, and basic collaboration. ClickUp excels in task management and collaboration, making it ideal for teams requiring detailed project tracking and data visualization. Choose based on your complexity needs. ClickUp dominates customization with 25+ custom field types, flexible project hierarchies, custom dashboards, and multiple view options for the same data. Any.do intentionally limits customization to maintain simplicity. You get color tags, basic templates, and straightforward list organization. ClickUp offers way more flexibility and customization compared to competitors, which is great if you've got specific workflow needs. The trade-off is clear: power versus simplicity. ClickUp provides comprehensive visualization designed for different project management methodologies: list, board, calendar, Gantt, timeline, workload, mind maps, and table views. Any.do focuses on essential views that support straightforward task management: list, board, calendar, and Today view for daily planning. ClickUp adapts to complex project needs, while any.do keeps things clean and focused on core task visualization. The automation capabilities reveal each platform's target complexity level. ClickUp offers an advanced automation builder with visual interface, 200+ pre-built templates, cross-project automations, and unlimited automations on higher plans. Any.do provides basic rule-based automation focused on personal productivity, recurring tasks, and simple if-then logic. For teams needing sophisticated workflow automation, ClickUp is the clear winner. For personal task automation, any.do covers the essentials. ClickUp functions as a complete collaboration hub with built-in chat, threaded comments, native collaborative documents with real-time editing, granular permissions, and custom roles. Users consistently praise ClickUp's outstanding user experience while providing power users the functionality they need. Any.do offers task-specific comments, @mentions, and shared lists enough for basic team coordination, but not comprehensive team communication. ClickUp wins decisively for collaboration-focused teams. ClickUp provides over 1,000 native integrations with direct connections to popular tools, powerful API access, and two-way sync capabilities. ClickUp goes well beyond standard options, allowing you to embed views from other apps like Miro and make changes within ClickUp. Any.do offers fewer native integrations, but compensates with strong Zapier partnership providing 6,000+ app connections, plus unique WhatsApp integration. ClickUp wins for breadth, but any.do Zapier integration adds surprising flexibility. Both platforms embrace AI, but with different focuses reflecting their core philosophies. ClickUp AI at $7 monthly specializes in complex project management tasks, generating project plans, summarizing documents, drafting reports, and workflow optimization. Any.do AI comes included in paid plans, focusing on personal productivity with smart task sorting, natural language task creation, and intelligent behavioral reminders. Each platform's AI aligns perfectly with its target use case. For a 5-person creative team managing content calendars and daily tasks, the choice depends on complexity needs. ClickUp offers custom content calendars with Kanban boards, calendar views, custom fields, and document storage, comprehensive, but potentially overwhelming for basic needs. Any.do provides shared project boards, simple assignments, calendar integration, and quick mobile updates at lower cost. Any.do's mobile app keeps teams organized on the go with its intuitive interface. For straightforward content management, Any.do wins on simplicity and cost. For a 50-person development team managing agile sprints and product roadmaps, ClickUp is the only viable option. It provides robust Gantt charts, custom bug tracking statuses, workload views, advanced reporting, and multiple role-based views. Any.do lacks sprint planning, advanced reporting, complex dependencies, and large team coordination features. ClickUp proved more useful than competitors in hands-on testing and offers better value for money. For enterprise development, there's no contest. ClickUp excels as a feature-rich all-in-one platform with robust collaboration tools, high customization, and affordable comprehensive pricing. However, it can overwhelm new users, has a steep learning curve, and the interface can feel cluttered. Any.do is effective with task management through task assignment and prioritization, with great reminders and calendar integration working well on both web and mobile. Any.do wins on simplicity and mobile experience, but lacks advanced features and enterprise integrations. ClickUp serves teams managing complex, multi-stage projects with multiple stakeholders needing comprehensive alignment tools. It's perfect for collaboration-focused organizations requiring real-time communication across departments with document sharing and integrated discussion. Organizations seeking to consolidate their tech stack into a single tool for tasks, documents, chat, and project management without multiple integrations will find ClickUp ideal. ClickUp lets you be strategic when managing projects, tasks, goals, and nearly all business operations. Any.do serves freelancers, solopreneurs, and small teams needing elegant daily task management without complexity. It's ideal for simplicity-focused users who value clean, easy-to-use interfaces and seamless mobile experiences over advanced features they may never use. Trusted by over 40 million people to stay organized and get more done, any.do suits budget-conscious organizations wanting productivity improvements without the cost and training investment of complex platforms. This matrix illustrates the fundamental trade-off between power and simplicity. ClickUp positions itself as the project management powerhouse, a complete, integrated system with comprehensive tools for teams managing complex work. Any.do serves as the task management specialist, the simple, elegant tool designed to make task management and daily planning effortless for individuals and small teams. Your selection should align with your team's size, project complexity, and collaboration requirements. Choose ClickUp if you manage complex, multi-stage projects, need robust collaboration tools, want extensive customization options, require detailed reporting and analytics, or prefer an all-in-one solution. Choose any.do if you need straightforward task management, value simplicity and ease of use, have a limited tool budget, prioritize mobile access, or work with minimal project complexity. Base your decision on the actual complexity of your projects and the level of functionality your team truly needs, not impressive features that may go unused.